In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Google AI Studio subscription. Open your preferred web browser and head to astudio.google.com. If you're prompted to sign in, use the Google account you want associated with your projects. It's a good idea to pick the account you'll use long term because your usage history and billing will be tied to it. Once you're in, give the page a second to load your workspace. On the left-hand side, look for the navigation panel and select Dashboard. This is your home base for AI Studio. From here, you can see projects, try models, and reach the administrative areas you need. Next, find and click Usage and Billing in that same left menu. This section is where you'll later track how much you've used and what it costs, so remember where it lives. Inside Usage and Billing, choose Billing. This opens the billing area where you'll connect a payment profile. You might see a brief redirect to Google's billing system. That's normal. The goal here is to create or link a billing account to your AI Studio workspace. Click Set up Billing to begin. Google will guide you through creating a billing account if you don't already have one. Confirm the country and currency you want to be billed in, since those settings affect taxes and available payment methods. When the terms appear, review them, then click Agree and continue to proceed. Now set up your payment information verification, enter a valid payment method such as a credit or debit card, and make sure the name and address exactly match what your bank has on file. Many banks use address verification and 3D Secure, so small mismatches can cause issues. You may see a temporary authorization hold to confirm the card. This isn't a charge and usually disappears automatically. If your bank blocks online verifications, a quick call to the number on the back of your card can help. With your payment information verified, click Start Free. This activates the free experience available in AI Studio so you can begin exploring without immediate costs. You'll have the tools you need to prototype and monitor usage from the same dashboard you visited earlier. Finally, keep in mind there are no automatic charges at this stage. You only start paying if you choose to activate a full pay-as-you-go Google Cloud account or if you decide to prepay. If you later opt into paid usage, you can always return to usage and billing to track costs, set alerts, and adjust settings. That's it. Your Google AI Studio billing is ready, and you're set to build and test with confidence.